Hey everyone, I want to let you guys know about one of the newer things that was added into Charts by TRADEway recently, and it's these notifications for earnings and expirations. So I want to show you guys how that works. You'll actually see that right up here. Right now, at this moment, I don't have any notifications to show you, but I've got some screenshots I'm going to show you in a second so you can see what that looks like. And I can show you the notification settings as well. You can get notifications on upcoming earnings because that's going to be important to know. If you're in a trade, you don't want to be in that trade over earnings. You can get upcoming notifications on dividends and options expiring soon. That's also going to be really important, right? Last thing you want to do is accidentally be in an options trade at expiration if that was not what you intended to do. So you can set those up. You can also add an additional email if you wanted to put an additional email in there. You can have that there as well. All right, let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to grab a different screen here. So this screenshot kind of shows you what this looks like. If you see the little, red number at the top there with next to the envelope, you've got that means that you've got a notification. You should go check it out, see what that looks like and what's going on. So here is another screenshot. Boom, you have options expiring soon. And so in this case, in this paper trading account, I had an Apple put that was going to expire soon. I also had dividends coming up on CMC. So just some good information just to be aware, just to help keep you up to date. Look, things get busy, right? Our lives are busy. And so we want to be able to stay on top of everything. This will help you stay on top of everything. You're also going to get this in an email. You can see this email right here. I just grabbed a screenshot of it. Again, this is on that CMC dividends coming up here. So lots of good things coming, and this is definitely one of them. I'm excited about the notifications for earnings, dividends, and expiring options. All right. Thank you, guys.